I have this 4-channel car audio amplifier, and this is the only input source that I have. And as you can see, we have a problem here. Which port do I use and which one do I leave behind? Well, what if I told you that we can use all 4 ports with only the signal from these 2 cables? This is the solution. This is one female cable that splits into 2 male cables that I just have to plug onto the amplifier like that, and then I just plug the signal like that. I have another YouTube short about these same cables, and I had some questions, so it's time to answer them. And someone asked, what's on the other end of these 2 cables? Well, it could be a 3.5mm audio jack that you just plug it into your phone or any other audio device. Or it could be that your car audio stereo only has 2-channel audio outputs like this. Another person called Smart Choice said, you plugged the channels wrong, up, down, not side to side. Well, this is up, down, and this is side to side, and I'm going to show you it depends on your speaker arrangements. So let's talk about that. So let's consider this scenario. I've connected my 4-channel amplifier to the 4 speakers at the back. That is channel 1, channel 2, at the bottom we have channel 3, and channel 4. The 2 speakers at the top could be your front speakers, and the ones at the bottom could be your rear speakers. Now these are your right speakers, and over here these are your left speakers. So I'll just connect it like this. At the bottom you have your right speakers, and at the top you have your left speakers. And you can see that channel 1 and 3 are connected to your left. This side is your left, and at the bottom we have channel 2 and 4 for your right speakers over here. So this is how I would connect it. Now another person called William Kennard said, can we run DOS speakers and a sub, DOS on 1 and 2 and the sub on 3 and 4? Yes, you can, and this is exactly the same arrangement that you would use. Now let's go back to Kennard, and I want to show you that you can also connect it like this. Now you have your channel 1 and 2 on the right channel and your channel 3 and 4 on your left channel. Now since this is a bridgeable amplifier, you can easily bridge the channel 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 to get a stereo channel from a single amplifier. So there is no wrong way, it just depends on your speaker arrangements. Now these are the only 2 scenarios that will require you to use the car audio splitter cables. Otherwise, if you have a multi-channel car audio stereo, then you don't need this. Like my car audio stereo over here, you can see that it has the fronts, rears that I can use to connect to the amplifier directly, and then I can use the subwoofer output to either connect to a powered subwoofer or a monoblock amplifier. So this is my JVC KD462 digital media receiver, and I have a full review about this product in my channel. I will leave a link to that in my video description as well as in the pinned comment. I also have a separate video on how to bridge this car audio amplifier, the Jack 3245, and I will also leave links in my video description as well as in the pinned comment as well. Plus, you can also view my playlist on car audio to learn more. That's it. My name is Dominic. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.